It's okay to admit that you're not happy, and in fact, you should. Because here's the thing, it might feel like a lot to admit that, because you know as soon as you admit that, you're gonna have to do something about it. But here's the thing, is that is how situations get better. Is once you acknowledge that there is a problem, then you can be like, oh, okay, cool, there's a problem here. What is the problem? Then you can identify said problem. Once you've identified the problem, you can come up with multiple different solutions. From there, you can have the grandest of times experimenting with your life. And you can be like, okay, let's try option A. What happens if I do option A? Okay, cool. Option B. Awesome. And the thing about it is, don't put yourself in a box. Just because you chose one option does not mean that you are stuck in said option. You can change your mind at any time. And I think that is very, very, very important for you to know and for you to realize and for you to grasp. Because if you consistently think, well, I already chose this, I need to be reliable for everyone else. No. Life is one big learning lesson. If you got on a train, if you're in Boston and you got on a train to LA, I don't even know if those exist, but if that were to be a thing, and you realized when you got in Philly that like you didn't really want to go to LA, would you go all the way out there, or would you get off at that stop? If you realized it at that point, by the time you got to Chicago, would you still try to convince yourself that you need to go all the way to LA? Or would you hop off at Chicago? It's how many stops are you going to contemplate? How many hours are you going to contemplate? Is it fucked up if I get off the train? If you know you are going to be miserable in LA, do what you have to do for the path that you know that you should be on. Try and do it eloquently. Try and do it gracefully, the exit part. But besides that, you owe no one anything. And that's your reminder of the day.